Welcome back to my short series on YouTubing. When I first started off, I was using the good old Movie Maker on Windows 7. It's good for getting the exact edit, like the audio and stuff, because the audio bars are so distinctive. It's easy to find the quiet spots and stuff. But no, yeah, it's alright. It was good. It had good basic features. But then I moved on to Limewire. Limewire, which I still use now, is very good for YouTube videos. It's got everything YouTube wants really. The editing, brilliant. The transitions, the effects are phenomenal, brilliant. You have to pay for it, but you can use it free. Use it free, but you get a little watermark at the bottom of the screen if you don't pay. But yeah. You could pay yearly, kind of thing like that. So, but some of the add-ons are really good, really impressive, and transitions are good. And it's nice to set up your own titles and save it and use them again in other videos. I also use Lightworks as well, which is very, very professional. Version 14 is brilliant. I tried using it years ago, but it was so complicated to use. But the version 14 is more like a proper video editor, so they've actually completely changed it all around and made it so easy. But the editing is brilliant because you can be so precise, and so it's yeah, the way you edit it is quite different, but you can just the precise edits brilliantly. Precise edits. So what I normally do is I normally film in the weekday. And I come back and I edit a small little bit, and I edit on Lightworks because I don't have text, just edit it, a good edit. Then I save it as a MP4 or whatever, and then I save in a folder. And then when it comes to filming the bits for the vlog on for the Sunday, I just slip it in as it's a little file, just slip it in the middle of the video, so it's all. And then I add the text and add the graphics. So it's like I edit and then put the edit into the edit to make one film. So that's what I generally do, and it's easier editing if I've edited the bits in the week, and it just slots in like a jigsaw puzzle. So it saves all the hassle. When it comes to the full edit, I use Limewire. The only problem with Lightworks is it doesn't accept 3GP files on a mobile, because I used to use my mobile quite a lot for video editing. I don't use it as much now. So that's the video what software I use really. So don't forget, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, comment, whatever, what your views, what YouTube software do you use, yeah, things like that. Let me know. I'll see you in part 3.